Have you ever stopped to ponder what causes the ground beneath your feet to suddenly shake and tremble, transforming a serene day into a moment of panic and chaos? That, dear listener, is the power of an earthquake, a natural phenomenon that has fascinated, terrified, and intrigued humanity for centuries. Imagine the Earth as a giant jigsaw puzzle. This puzzle, however, isn't flat like the ones you might find in your living room. It's a three-dimensional puzzle wrapping around the globe in a network of pieces we call tectonic plates. These plates aren't static, they're always moving, albeit at a pace slower than the growth of your fingernails. But when they move, they carry the continents and oceans with them. Now picture two of these plates meeting along a boundary. As they move, they can sometimes get stuck at their edges due to the friction between them. But the plates are persistent. They continue to push and pull, accumulating energy at the boundary. This energy builds and builds until finally it overcomes the friction. Once this happens, the energy is released in waves that travel through the Earth's crust. These waves are what we feel as an earthquake. The point deep within the Earth where this energy is first released is called the earthquake's focus, or hypocenter. Directly above it, on the Earth's surface, is the epicenter. The seismic waves, the energy from the earthquake, radiate out from the epicenter, causing the ground to shake and rumble. So, to summarize, earthquakes are the result of tectonic plates moving and getting stuck at their boundaries. The persistent push and pull between them creates tension that builds up over time. When the tension finally releases, it sends out waves of energy that we experience as the shaking and trembling of an earthquake. But remember, not all earthquakes are created equal. Their magnitude can vary greatly, from minor tremors that barely rattle a teacup to devastating quakes that can level cities and trigger tsunamis. This is determined by the amount of energy released at the hypocenter, which in turn depends on the size of the area that was stuck and the distance it moved. So the next time the Earth beneath you gives a little shudder, remember the colossal tectonic forces at work deep beneath the surface. It's a humbling reminder of the dynamic planet we call home, constantly changing and evolving in ways both subtle and profound.